Hey everyone, this is Nick from AddEvent. Today I want to go through the event with RSVP tool. This particular video will focus on the functionality without RSVP, but we will have that in a later video. So we'll go through how to create a new event and then more specifically how to share that event once it's been created. So you get to this event with RSVP tool page from the tools drop-down menu here. So this is what I clicked on to get here. So now let's go in and click the blue new event button. We'll go to the create event page. We'll just call this example event. I'm okay with this event being on the 15th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I can change the time zone here. I can make the event all day or not. This is how you add RSVP functionality, but we'll explain that in another video. So event description will go here. Location of the event, wherever you're hosting it, wherever it's going to take place. And then this is how far in advance of the event you want your users who have added this to their calendar to get a reminder. So we'll say 30 minutes and create the event. Excellent. So now the event's been created and now you can share it. So there are a few different ways to do this. One is that we automatically generate a link for you, a URL that you can send out or that you can use on social media like Facebook, Twitter, or link it in an email. And so when you click this, it's going to redirect you actually to a landing page that we host for you. This is where your event description is going to show up. And then from this page, your users will be able to click the Add to Calendar button, select their desired calendar, be prompted to give access. I'm going to say I want to add this to my AddEvent calendar. Now the event's been added just like that. So I can go and check out the event on my calendar. And here's my example event on the 15th from 9 to 11 a.m. So we'll close that out. So that's one method. And then this link will take you to the same place. It's just shorter for use in like text messages or instances where you need a shorter link. You can customize that event page. It's fully customizable. You can totally change it however you like to match the design and language of your website. And you would do that here with this custom templates link. Another way that you can share your event created with the Events with RSVP tool is in a newsletter, specifically MailChimp, Marketo, Salesforce, or something similar. It really works in all of these different programs. And all you have to do is click copy and then paste it into the content editor of whichever of these newsletter programs you're using. We use MailChimp and it works perfectly in MailChimp, but lots of our customers use it in Marketo and Salesforce. So that's a really easy way to do that. And we've created a separate video specifically showing how to add that into one of your newsletters or campaigns. And then finally, there's the direct links option. This is pretty uncommon that people would use this, but these are links that work specifically for each calendar vendor. So this is working for Google and it bypasses the landing page. So it just goes and adds it directly to your calendar. So you can see it created a duplicate because I already added it. But that's pretty uncommon. Normally people are going to send these links out for their event either via an email using this, giving their customers all of the different options, or they're going to share the landing page via social media or possibly also in an email. So that's all I've got for you today. As you can see, it's pretty easy to create an event and then share it. And we'll get some more videos up soon. I hope that was helpful. Thanks. Bye-bye.